You haven't seen this dog very much of mine. There are some. This is really like my number 2 guy, actually. This is Gilgamesh. Yeah. And this is going to be a short little video. People have asked to see more of Petra, my Czech German Shepherd puppy. High drive. Not for normal people at all. Can't recommend it, him, her, any of these dogs for normal people. But you're going to see her doing some stuff and a little bit of bite work at her stage. She's only 9 months, a little over 9 months. So you're going to see that, but you can also see her doing some other things. And she's super high tempo. Hey, Gilgamesh. Gil, you want people to see you? Yeah, you're a cool guy. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's my dog. He's my dog. All right, stay tuned and watch.